Revitalize your eyes with oculomotor muscle workout. Discover the untapped potential of your oculomotor muscle to boost your sight. Learn how the sedentary habits encouraged by eyeglasses can lead to eye muscle weakness and how activating this eye muscle through targeted exercises can enhance blood circulation, reduce toxin accumulation, and prevent eye muscle atrophy. Start your journey towards a more vibrant vision today. Enhancing vision through active eye workout. The foundation: active oculomotor muscles. Our eyesight rules significantly on the well-being of our oculomotor muscles. Unfortunately, those who wear spectacles often experience weakened oculomotor muscle due to reliance on the lenses, leading to less eye movement and more head tilting or turning. This lack of natural eye movement weakens the muscles which are crucial for pumping blood to the eyes, a key factor for maintaining healthy retinal function and cooling the retina, as well as with an active eye workout ensuring efficient nutrient supply and toxins removal from the eyes. The importance of oculomotor eye workout. First, blood circulation. Active eye muscles help pump blood effectively, supplying the retina with the necessary nutrients and aiding in its cooling and metabolic processes, and accordingly better recovery and vision. Second, balanced eye health. Without proper eye muscle activity, toxins can accumulate and the eye overall health can decline, potentially leading to the issues like accommodative spasm, where the eye struggles to refocus and maintain normal blood circulation. Spasmodic eye muscle can lock distance eye focus and worsen circulation. Third, preventing eye muscle atrophy. Just like any muscle, the oculomotor muscles require regular exercises to prevent atrophy. A sedentary lifestyle, particularly with prolonged computer or phone use, restricts natural eye movement, contributing to conditions like myopia and astigmatism. Boosting visual activity with natural methods. To enhance visual activity, it's crucial to adopt active viewing habits, such as periodically shifting your gaze from screens and engaging in exercises that stretch and strengthen oculomotor muscle. This natural increase in eye activity can train the eyes to become more elastic and automatically adjust without strenuous effort. Starting with relaxation. Before diving into eye exercises, mastering the art of relaxation is essential. Tension in the eyes can exacerbate issues, making it vital to learn how to relax the eye muscles fully. This foundational skill sets the stage for effective natural vision improvement techniques. Enroll in Eyesight Academy course. Enhance your vision naturally with active viewing habits. Break free from the constraints of spectacles and embrace active viewing habits to transform your eye health. Discover how incorporating dynamic eye exercises into your daily routine can make your eye muscle more elastic and capable of adjusting focus automatically. Link in the description. Achieving optimal eye health. The ideal state of clear vision is a round eyeball, where light rays can focus directly on the retina without distortion. Achieving this requires flexible and evenly trained eye muscle. Oculomotor muscle training with a balance between relaxation and gentle eye exercises avoiding the pitfalls of overtraining or straining your eyes. Effective exercises for enhanced vision. First, engage in active observation. As you walk, make a task to look around actively. A simple exercise is to alternate your gaze with each step. Right, left, up, just with the eyes moving your gaze, encouraging your eyes to move and refocus to different distances naturally. Second, search mode. Challenge your eyes to identify specific objects like red cars. As you move about, this practice not only improves active vision but also sharpens peripheral awareness, training your eyes to adjust and focus more effectively. In conclusion, understanding the crucial role of oculomotor muscles in eye health is the first step toward improving vision. By incorporating relaxation techniques and targeted eye exercises into your daily routine, you can enhance your visual activity and overall eye health. Remember, a proactive approach to eye care is the key to avoiding the pitfalls of modern sedentary life and maintaining clear vision. Subscribe for more insights and don't hesitate to share your question and experience in the comments below.